If your debt-to-income ratio is just a little too high to qualify for the home you want, you do not necessarily need a bigger salary or a massive pay raise. You can use a strategic move called a payoff at closing to eliminate specific monthly debts that are dragging down your qualifying power, sometimes paying off a $500 a month car loan or a small credit. Card balance can boost your home buying budget by $50,000 or even $60,000. The best part is that you do not have to pay these debts off weeks in advance. The underwriter can simply include the payoff as part of your final closing costs. In some cases, we can even negotiate a credit from the seller to pay off your personal debts for you, which clears the way for your mortgage approval. This move is one of the fastest ways to pivot from a loan denial to a clear too close because it focuses on your monthly and cash flow rather than just your total debt. It allows you to walk into your new home with a cleaner balance sheet and a much more comfortable monthly mortgage payment. Visit https://www.google.com, search Q=changemyrates.com today so we can look at your specific debt profile and find the silver bullet that unlocks your mortgage approval.